Snoring can be a tiring thing to deal with, not just for you, but your family as well. It's often caused by obstructed airways due to relaxed throat muscles, nasal congestion, and structural abnormalities. Sleep position, lifestyle habits, and underlying medical conditions can also contribute to snoring. But worry not, because Turmerry has the perfect solution for you. At Turmerry, we offer 6 unique types of mattresses that are perfect for minimizing snoring tendencies and providing you with a night of better sleep. They offer breathability, pressure relief, temperature regulation, motion isolation, durability, and edge support. The proper support and spinal alignment provided by our mattresses alleviate pressure points and improve airflow, further minimizing snoring tendencies. Plus, they're all compatible with adjustable bed bases, so you can prop up your upper body at night and make sure your airways stay open. Turmerry offers free shipping and easy returns, so you can try out our mattresses without any risk. If it doesn't work for you, simply return it within the 120-day trial period. Don't let snoring disrupt your sleep any longer. Choose Turmerry for a restful night's sleep.
Head over to turmerry.com or click the link in the description below for more information on this topic and for some great money-saving coupons.